it's Toni here again and welcome back to my channel. So, today's video, gagawa tayo ng DIY wedding invitation. Alam naman natin lahat na dito sa New Zealand, alam mo yun, medyo pricey magpagawa ng mga wedding invitation. So, naisip ko, why not gagawa ako ng sarili kong invitation. So, it's more me, it's customized. So, I'll start by showing to you mga kakailangan natin sa project na ito. So, ang first na kakailanganin natin ay, of course, ang wedding invitation. See? Yeah. So, ito, nabili ko lang ito siya sa AliExpress for $10. Tapos, 10 piraso na. So, inside the packet, meron na siyang yung cover. Yung cover like ganyan. And then, may sobre. Makiklaro ba guys? Yung sobre niya. And, yung parang ganyan. Yeah. So, what you'll do is you'll just put this one over here. Like that. And yung sobre. And, meron pa siyang ribbon. Out this one, see? O, diba? Okay na for $10. So, parang $1 lang itong isa. Next, kay ang this one. Nagpagawa din ako sa AliExpress. Worth, tag $10 lang din ito siya. Klaro ba? Ayan siya. So, ang nakalagay is Ivan Heart Toni. So, this is just for $10, tapos 50 pieces na. Wala lang, I find it cute. So, nag-order ako. And then, yung aming invitation, it's like this. See? So, this invitation, ang kanyang format, I got it from weddingchicks, I think. So, I'll post I'll put the link sa description box. Diba? You can customize it. Ay, nahulog. Anyway, you can customize it sa kung paano siya gusto. See? Very cute. So pink. And then, wala lang. Yung aking friend, sorry, nahulog na naman. Yung aking friend, si Nia. O, diba? Shout out to Nia. Anyway, kasi yung aking friend, gumawa siya ng aming parang, ano ba tawag dyan? Logo something. So, yung logo na yun, ginawa ko siyang parang sticker for the invitation. Ayan. Yan. So, yan yung logo. Aming initial and the date. Diba? Very nice. And then, this one, ang pagpaprint is 99 cents lang. So, you just have to buy ang papel, sticker paper, which is a bit pricey. But then, marami naman din. Like, I think, nabili na naman siya $20 for 10 pieces or 20 pieces. Hindi ako sure ha. Pero parang ganun. Anyway, so yun. Yun lang ang kakailanganin mo. And then you'll just put it together and taliin. That's it. May wedding invitation ka na within the budget. So, ang next video naman ay papakita ko sa inyo paano siya pag-form. Okay? So now, let's put together all yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo na binili ko. So first, very simple lang. Like I said, ito yung para siyang base lace kasi so cute. And then, yung aming invitation. So, just put it like that. Ayan. And then, diba, na-remember nyo yung pinagawa kong heart. And mayroon siyang, libre na to guys, tali. And then, ano lang. Something like this. Sorry guys, hindi ko magaling first time. Anyway, like this. And then, yan. So, yan na yung finished product. O, diba? Very simple. So, after nun, ilagay natin siya sa sobre. And yan na. That's the final product. Wala pa nalagyan ng mini, pero yan na yung logo. See? From this one. Diba? So pink. So me. Ano na siya? So, our DIY wedding invitation na within the budget, customize kung ano yung gusto ko. Hindi siya yung very fancy, but then at the end of the day, okay lang. It's in my opinion, at the end of the day, okay lang na hindi overly expensive yung aking wedding invitation kasi gawin lang ito pamaypay, mamaypay sa church or what. So, I don't mind na. Okay na sa akin ng ganito. A bit rustic. Rustic ata ito. Rustic. Basta cute. Gusto siya kasi cute. Yun na. Okay. I hope you like this video. So give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and the like button para makikita niyo pa ang mga next videos ko. Alright. Have a good day.